Apple's highly anticipated foldable iPhone is now expected to launch in the first quarter of 2027, following a delay from the previously projected late 2026 release. This postponement is reportedly due to Apple's meticulous approach in refining the device's hardware design and securing a stable supply chain for foldable display components. Unlike some competitors who rushed to market with early iterations, Apple appears to be prioritizing durability, performance, and user experience. The foldable iPhone is rumored to feature a book-style design that opens to reveal a large 7.8-inch inner display, ideal for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity, while a 5.5-inch external screen provides quick access to apps and notifications when folded. Engineers are expected to incorporate advanced materials, including a titanium alloy chassis and a custom hinge mechanism made from a mix of stainless steel and titanium, to ensure strength and longevity without adding excessive weight. In a notable shift from recent iPhones, the foldable model may eliminate Face ID in favor of a Touch ID sensor embedded in the side button, a change likely driven by internal space constraints and the need to simplify the front-facing design. Additionally, software enhancements are anticipated to make full use of the foldable form factor, enabling features such as split-screen multitasking, dynamic resizing of apps, and seamless transitions between folded and unfolded modes. Analysts believe that the device will cater to a premium segment of the market, with prices expected to start around $2,299, making it Apple's most expensive iPhone to date. Despite the high price, strong interest is expected from early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and professionals who value both innovation and portability. Although Apple has not officially confirmed these details, various reports suggest that the foldable iPhone will be introduced alongside the iPhone 18 lineup, marking a significant step in Apple's mobile hardware evolution and its first major form factor change in over a decade.